In this segment, we're going to be showing you how to identify when your brake pads are too worn and should no longer be used on your bike. And then we will show you how to install your new brake pads. The pad on the left is the new brake pad. The pad on the right is one that is severely worn to the point where the metal that makes up the backing of the pad is wearing through where the braking surface is. The wear line has been exceeded. These pads can severely damage your rim if they are not replaced. We're going to be showing how to install new brake pads. So as you can see, wear line still intact. So we have our convex and concave washers here. So we want to insert into the brake there. That guy should just stay in place. Then we want to do the same order, convex and concave on the side of that. Then we grab our last little washer, goes on there. And then last, the nut that holds everything in place. So you just get that hand tight for now. Reconnect your spring. Reconnect the spring over here. Connect your boot and noodle. Brake pads generally come as a set, so you will need to do the exact same thing on the left side to install the new brake pad as we are doing on the right. The process is the exact same. So now the pad is free floating, so I want to use my right hand, keep that as aligned as possible. I want to use this, and now what you want to be careful of is you want to hold the end so it doesn't hit the tire, and you just want to tighten up that bolt. So now give it a spin. Now that pad is aligned on the braking track.